Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is part 2 of our tutorial on creating free 916 AI videos. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, where I show you how to generate the base image using Nano Banana, just check the link in the description first. Okay, let's move on and turn that image into a full AI video. First, just download the image that you generate in part 1, like this. And then we will use this as the starting frame for the video. Next, just upload Google Flow and create a new project, and then just create with Flow. And then on here, on the method options, just tap on or choose frames to video, like this. Now just upload the image that you just downloaded. Just tap on plus button, this one, and then just tap on upload, and then just upload your photo like this, and then just crop and save. And okay, like this. Now type your video prompt. For example, I will type like this. For example, like this. And after that, just select the model. I will choose VO3 flash, and then make sure the ratio is set to portrait or 916, like this. And then you can also adjust the number of outputs depending on how many variations that you want. In this tutorial, I will just use one output. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. And okay, like this. Before, I forgot to add a dialogue, so that's why there is no dialogue in the video. So on your prompt versions, you can add the dialogue to make the video more realistic. And okay, maybe that's it. You have successfully created a free 916 AI video using Nano Banana plus VO3. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.